Hey everyone! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a game-changing lineup of car battery jump starters that every driver needs, whether you're cruising through city streets or adventuring off-road. If you've ever been stuck with a dead battery, you know exactly how frustrating that can be. But don't worry, we've got you covered. In this video, we'll explore the NOCO Boost Plus GB40 1000A, the NOCO Boost HD GB70 2000A, the NOCO Boost X GB X45 1250A, and the powerful NOCO Boost Pro GB 153000A. These UltraSafe car battery jump starters are designed to save you when you need it most, with multiple features that will absolutely blow you away. So stick around as we break down everything you need to know. You won't want to miss this. NOCO Boost Plus GB40 1000A. First up is the NOCO Boost Plus GB40 1000A UltraSafe car battery jump starter. This compact and portable jump starter packs a serious punch with 1000 amps, perfect for your 12V gasoline engines up to 6 liters and diesel engines up to 3 liters. Not only does it jump start your car quickly, but it also serves as a powerful portable charger with jumper cables you can trust. It's ultra-safe, easy to use, and designed with the latest technology to protect you against sparks, reverse polarity, and overcharging. Imagine never being stranded again in the dead of night or on a remote road. Just grab your NOCO Boost Plus and get back on the road fast. Need more power? Meet the NOCO Boost HD GB70 2000A UltraSafe car battery jump starter. This beast is perfect for 12V engines with up to 8 liters gasoline and 6 liters diesel power. Whether you drive a truck, SUV, or a larger vehicle, the GB70 delivers 2000 amps. That's double the power of the GB40. With its advanced battery booster pack, jump box capabilities, and reliable portable charger features, the GB70 keeps your vehicle's battery healthy in any condition. And with its rugged design, it's built for extreme weather, always ready to perform when you need it most. Say goodbye to expensive towing bills. Looking for something sleek and multifunctional? Check out the NOCO Boost X GB X45 1250A 12V UltraSafe portable lithium jump starter. This unit combines power with versatility. It's a car battery booster, a USB-C power bank charger, and it comes with trusted jumper cables. With 1250 amps, it handles engines up to 6.5 liters gas or 4 liters diesel, perfect for mid-sized cars and light trucks. Plus, its lightweight lithium design means it's super portable, a must-have in your glove compartment or emergency kit. Finally, for those who demand nothing but the best, here's the NOCO Boost Pro GB 153000A UltraSafe car battery jump starter. A powerhouse that delivers a whopping 3000 amps for 12V engines up to 9 liters gasoline and 7 liters diesel. If you drive a heavy-duty vehicle, commercial truck, or large SUV, this jump starter is engineered to provide quick, reliable starts every single time. This professional-grade jump box is loaded with safety features and designed to last for years. It's your ultimate roadside companion, ensuring peace of mind, no matter where you are. So, which one should you get? Need portability? Go with the GB40. Need more power? Step up to the GB70. Want versatility and USB-C fast charging? Choose the GBX45. Need unmatched strength for the biggest engines? The GB150 is your answer. Don't wait until you're stuck on the side of the road. Grab your NOCO Boost Jump Starter today. It's more than just a battery booster. It's a lifesaver, a safety net, and a smart investment for any driver.
And see if this.
If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel for more amazing automotive gear reviews, and ring the bell so you never miss new content. Got questions about which NOCO Boost product fits your car best? Drop your comments below. We love hearing from you and helping you choose the right jump starter. And don't forget, share this video with your friends and family. Safe driving starts with being prepared.